Let's have a closer look at this product in closer detail. Here, we're looking at the indoor-outdoor bonfire Wonder Comfort 30-inch elevated round steel wood-burning fire pit. We'll be demonstrating using the 12-pack Duraflame Firestart indoor-outdoor fire lighters and also the EZLighter rechargeable electric lighter. Here we'll be lighting our fire using the EZLighter rechargeable electric lighter. I'll be going over its features and how it works. The button function is a spring-loaded safety slider for full function for safety by pressing and holding this round power button and slide the slider. Here's the recharging port and includes this easy to read instruction manual. The USB recharging cable is included. This safety slider has a built-in LED battery level indicator. While simultaneously pressing the round power button and sliding the safety slider, the electric arc prongs will start the fire. Conveniently attached to the rear is a silicone hook so you can hang it. Now we're ready to light our fire. Now let's jump into the Duraflame Firestart FireLighter. Let's see how fast and where to light these compact water-resistant wood FireLighters. Compatible with all types of safe wood-burning wood, and they don't add flavor to your food. Has a slight odor only when you light them. Leaves behind hardly any residue. Stays lit for 30 minutes or longer. Keep area covered when lighting while in windy conditions. Start by taking a FireLighter, keep it wrapped, not opened, and you place it underneath the wood. Simply just light up the corners on the FireLighter on both ends and let the fire begin. Emits very little smoke and odor, and then the odor goes away quickly. Later we'll see after the fire is burned out, seeing how much remnants is left over. Simply just take out the log poker and remove the ash pan and dump out the ash. Note, this fire pit does have a drain hole in the center so it can help drain out the rain if it rains in your fire pit. Overall, I find this indoor-outdoor bonfire Wonder Comfort 30-inch fire pit easy to set up, enjoy the fire, not difficult to maintain, and simple to clean up. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.